In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express so you can work directly on the design you want to edit. This can be a design you've already created or one you're currently customizing. Once your project is open, take a moment to make sure everything is visible on the canvas and that you're ready to select the element you want to style. Next, click on the photo, shape, or text that you want to add a border to. In this example, I'm applying the border to a text element, but the general process is very similar for other objects as well. Selecting the correct item first is important, because the editing options will update based on whatever is currently active on your canvas. After you've selected your item, go over to the editing panel on the left side and click on the Effects tab. This is where Adobe Express gives you a variety of visual styling tools. Inside Effects, scroll down until you find the Shape section, then click View All so you can see the full range of available options. From there, look for the Basic section. In that section, click the swatch that shows a boxed text preview. This opens the settings for that particular effect, which is what allows you to create a border-style look around your selected element. If you're working with text, this is a quick and clean way to make it stand out more clearly against your background. Once the effect settings are open, click the Shape Color swatch. A color picker will appear, and this is where you can choose the border color you want to use. You can select from the preset swatches if you want something fast and simple, or switch to the Custom tab if you need a more specific color to match your design. Choosing a border color that contrasts well with the background usually gives the best visibility. You can also adjust the shape size and opacity if needed. Increasing the size can make the border feel more prominent, while lowering the opacity can create a softer, more subtle effect. These small adjustments can make a big difference depending on the overall style you're going for, so it's worth testing a couple of settings until it looks right. And that's it. Once you've applied the effect and adjusted the color, size, and opacity to your liking, your border is ready. This is a simple way to add more emphasis and polish to text, shapes, or photos in Adobe Express.